65 years ago, it started with a spark, not just of machines, but of purpose. A small idea built on dreams, hard work, and the courage to create. From bicycle chains to bike chains to becoming a trusted name in alloy wheels, die casting, advanced composites, and engineering excellence. Rockman has never just manufactured parts. We've built trust, one innovation at a time. Over the decades, technologies changed, but our values stayed strong because behind every component we create, there's a story of hands that shape, minds that innovate, and hearts that believe in something bigger. It's not just the machines that power us, it's our people, our partners, our customers, and their faith that keeps us moving forward. From India to the world, our journey has never been just about business. It's about building impact, empowering industries, and engineering the future. As we celebrate 65 years, we don't just look back with pride. We look ahead with purpose, because we're not just celebrating what we've built. We're shaping what's next. We are Rockman, and this is just the beginning.